Good morning and welcome to today's program. You're listening to Health Questions and I'm your host, Sarah Foster. Our guest today is Diana Jenkins. Diana is a registered nutritionist and she's going to be talking to us today about the best ways to eat healthily. Diana, welcome to the program. It's nice to have you with us. It's nice to be here, Sarah. Let's start with some interesting facts. A recent study from the United States says at any given time, over 100 million Americans are on a diet. About 85% of those are female. Every year, Americans spend $20 billion on books and products related to losing weight. Does that surprise you, Diana? No, it doesn't. Weight loss is a big business, and it's the same here in the UK. A British study recently found that 37% of people in the UK are always on a diet. What worries me most is that youngsters are dieting more than ever. But it isn't working, is it? No, it isn't. About 60% of adults in England are overweight, and Americans are heavier than they have ever been. So what's going wrong? Well, I think there are a few things. The first thing is, everyone is looking for a quick and easy way to lose weight. You see these crazy diets today, the lemon juice diet, the cabbage soup diet. And you know what happens? People follow these for a few weeks, they lose weight, then they go straight back to the way they ate before. All the weight comes back. What should people be doing? It's quite simple. If you want to lose weight, you need to eat a healthy, balanced diet. Make sure you get enough protein from meat and fish, but don't choose meat with a lot of fat. Don't avoid carbohydrates. You should eat rice or brown bread. Most of your meal should be vegetables. Broccoli, green beans, carrots, they are all good. Have a salad with your meal or some homemade soup. You don't need dessert, so skip the apple pie and ice cream. That sounds very sensible. What about snacks? I know I get hungry in the evening while I'm watching television. Fruit is good. Have an apple instead of a bar of chocolate. Cheese is fine, or some nuts. But Sarah, you mentioned watching television. Do you know the biggest reason why so many people are overweight? I think I know what you're going to say. People need more exercise. Turn off the television, get up off the sofa and go outside. You don't need to join an expensive gym. Just walk around your neighbourhood. Go to the local swimming pool. Take the dog to the park. Ride a bicycle instead of driving a car. That's great advice. But what about people who find exercise boring? Do it with a friend and you'll enjoy it more. You can also help each other to stay focused. This is great advice. Anything else? Well, there is a huge connection between weight gain and stress. If you can learn to relax, you will find it easier to lose weight. Try yoga, for example, or just try deep breathing. Diana, you've given us lots of good advice here. Thank you for joining us today. Once again, I'm Sarah Foster, and you're listening to Health Questions.